love with lies on. So insecure, she don't want to talk about it. No, and I'm so insecure. One day she'll leave me, and she find another guy who make her happier than I. Tunikiwa maji, many cheesy, many stalker, na wala. When you naked, I see angels, and I hope you feel the same. Cause I'm insecure. You're insecure, yeah. Baby, I'm so insecure, and you're insecure, yeah. Hey, what's up guys, it's Robert, and today I'm gonna walk you through on how to play Insecure. It's a fairly easy song to play, apart from the many chord movements. I'm sure that it's a song that anyone who's in their beginner or maybe who's been playing for a while can be able to play this song. So well, subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Always feel free to request any songs that you'd want me to do tutorials on the comment area. And with that aside, let's kick off right after this. This song is in the key of G originally, but in this tutorial I'll show you how to play it in the key of D. So we will divide this tutorial into 4 parts. I will discuss the intro progression, then the verse progression, then the chorus progression, and then there's also a bridge progression. So we're gonna start with the verse. So the verse progression is 2 5 1, then 2 3. So the 2 is E minor chord. The 1 is the 5 is A major chord, and the 1 is D chord, E minor chord, then F sharp minor chord. So the E minor chord, I am playing or rather pressing the 5th string on the 5th string 2nd fret with my middle finger, and then with my ring finger this is string number 4 on the 2nd fret. That's E minor. So you can either hold it this way or you can hold it this way. I prefer this way. So this is E minor, and then A major chord. So the A major chord, I am barring string number 2, from string number 4, 3 and 2 with my pointer finger. So this is A major chord, and then the chord that follows is the D chord. So the D chord, middle finger, fret number 2 on the string number 1 2nd fret, with my pointer finger, string number 3 on the 2nd fret, and with my ring finger, string number 2 on the 3rd fret. So this is D major chord. And then the other chord, which is the 3 chord, which is an F sharp minor chord, I am barring. So you can either bar from string 1 to this is string 6 with your pointer finger, and then your ring finger on string number 5 on the 4th fret, and your small finger string number 4 on the 4th fret too. So this is F sharp minor chord. So you can either this is F sharp minor chord. So those are the chords that are in the intro. So it's A, D, then E minor, F minor chord, F sharp minor chord. So the verse is kind of similar to the intro, but there's some variation. So the verse is as you start, so the verse has two like kind of parts. So the first part is 2 5 1, then 2 5 6, which is a B minor chord. So the first part we've already looked at those chords. So the new chord here in this progression is the B minor chord. So B minor, I am barring the second fret with my pointer finger, and then my middle finger, string number 2 on the 3rd fret, my ring finger, string number 4 on the 4th fret, and my small finger, string number 3 on the 4th fret. So this is B minor chord. Well, and the last part of the verse, instead of the 2 5, so it's 2 5 1 1, then 2 2 1. So let me sing through the verse so that you can you know where those chords play.
She's so insecure. She don't make love with the lights on. So insecure. She don't wanna talk about it. And I'm so insecure. One day she'll leave me, and she find another guy who make her happier than I.
So that part. So now we gotta check the chorus. So the chorus, the progression is 6 5 4 1.
Nikiwa maji mini chizi mini stoka na kuhala. When you're naked I see angels and I hope you feel the same.
So that's actually the chorus. So now we'll look at the bridge. So for the bridge, where Chimano sings, the progression is 2 3 6, then 2 3 1 6. This so that's the progression. So so this is how you could sing it.
Why are we still so insecure? Don't know what we're running from. And I'm breaking, but before we break them, hope you see the light. I hope you see the light.
Then you go to the chorus. So that's how you could play this song. So I hope I was clear, and I know this was a quite lengthy tutorial, but cope with that. So be sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and also feel free to request any songs that you want to do me to do tutorials on. And with that, let's see each other on the next tutorial. Ciao.